Okay, so just threading in these bolts. The ones at the back are a little hard to reach by fingertip, so you can just use the socket on a little extender to turn it in, get it started. So the 4 bolts are fingertip, and I can start ratcheting them. The key, I think, is to tighten them alternately from corner to corner, and only a small amount at a time. So I got them very close at this point, 66 foot-pounds. Yep. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. There we are. Seem to go in fine. I've done a lot of work on my bikes, never done much with cars before. When bearings go bad on a bike, it's easy to feel just by the touch. But with a car bearing, you can't do that. The loads, the forces are just so much higher. So I can't tell any difference just by hand how this thing spins. It's perfectly smooth like the old one, but presumably this one is actually good under load. So yeah, now I just gotta put the brakes back together and then the moment of truth. But that completes at least this part of the video regarding the wheel bearing.